Good morning students. Now from today our online teaching again start. Okay, so everybody should join the class daily. Okay, see your first unit test is already over. Okay, and you also do the best for that exam. But in the next month your first term will be come. Okay, so for that your fourth lesson. Now today we start it. Our fourth lesson is the adaptation in animals. So this adaptation in animals, in that lesson you have to study about the adaptation of animal for the different purposes. It will be discussed one by one, but you know first the meaning of the adaptation. Okay, what do you mean by adaptation? In that lesson there the number of the new word. Okay, so you have to first read the lesson carefully. Okay, so here see, adaptation means the change that allow the living organism to live and survive in a particular area. See, the change that allow the living organism to live and survive in a particular area. See, now there is a number of the animals that living in our environment. Okay, but different animals live in a different areas. This means according to their environment, their animals are live. See on the page number 43. Sorry, 41. Okay, on page number 41 there is a number of the animals are given. The picture of the number of the animals are given here. So look at the pictures of the animals below and write the place where they are found. See, the zebra, that bear, dolphin. Okay, their number of the animal, penguin. There the four animals are given here. So you have to write their place where they are live. See that animals live in a different areas. Why? Because their environment, their climate is suited for their bodies. Okay, and they have a habit of that climate. Okay, so adaptation means what? The animals give the different changes that allow the organism to survive. Means खुद को वहाँ पे रहने के लिए या फिर फूड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड खाने के लिए वो खुद की बॉडी में चेंजेस करता है. ओके, जैसे कि हम मनमाड़ में रहते हैं. मनमाड़ का क्लाइमेट थोड़ा सा नॉर्मली कोल्ड है, बट हम अगर राजस्थान या हॉट डेजर्ट्स एरियाज में जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? हमें बहुत हीट फील होगी क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी को वहाँ का क्लाइमेट सूट नहीं होगा. हमें किसकी आदत है? कोल्ड क्लाइमेट्स की. सो दैट्स लाइक एनिमल्स आल्सो different live in a different areas according to their environment. So adaptation means what? The change that allow the living organism to live. वो खुद में चेंज लाते हैं खुद को जिंदा रखने के लिए. ओके, एंड सर्वाइव इन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया. इट्स कॉल्ड एडाप्टेशन. So do you know that adaptations? Okay, got it? See, now turn the page. See, different. Put the finger on the first paragraph. First we read it. Okay, different kinds of animals are found in a different places. Some animals live in a water, some in a cold polar region, and some in a hot deserts. The natural place where animal lives and reproduce is called its habitat. Different animals have a different features that help them survive and grow in their habitat. This is called adaptation. Okay, in animals. So see here, different kinds of animals are found in a different places. जैसे कि मैंने पहले आपको बताया कि हर एक एनिमल्स डिफरेंट एरियाज में रहते हैं, डिफरेंट रीजन्स में रहते हैं. ओके, सम आर फाउंड इन वाटर, some are found in land, on land, okay. Some are found on the cold region like the, okay, and some in the hot deserts. Hot deserts means जहाँ पे climate heat बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है, desert areas, okay. So these animals live in a different region like that. So one word again here come habitat. So habitat means what? The natural place where animal live. Natural place where animal live means जहाँ पे animals रहते हैं उस place को उसका habitat कहते हैं. जैसे कि हमारा habitat मनमाड़ में है. Okay, so हमारा habitat क्या हुआ? In मनमाड़. So habitats means the natural place where animal live. Natural place where animal live. Okay, you got it, that habitat definition. So first today you read that two definitions carefully, adaptation and habitat. See, now let us discuss about it. See, adaptation in animals. Adaptation, the special features or the changes that allow the living organism to live. We first of all at the beginning of the lessons we studied that the changes that allow the living organism to survive or to live is called adaptation. See, animals that are able to adapt themselves according to their surrounding or survive according to surrounding survive, that those cannot adapt or struggle to survive or become a die if their body is not responding to environment. Okay, then finally what happened? It become die. So this is the most features of the animals, that animals is adapt themselves according to their environment. So why animals is adapt themselves? Do you know why animals adapt themselves? So animals are adapt themselves for the different reason. Their most of the reasons is adapted for the environment. Okay, one is the reason they adapted for environment. Then second one is the for food, means in searching of the food they also adapt themselves, or adapt means changes. Okay, their bodies, then way of movement also, for protection also animals become adapt themselves, and for reproduction means to reproduce the new young one. Okay, so for that reason that animals is adapted themselves. Okay, so the adaptation for habitat we will discuss it one by one. Adaptation for habitat. See, adaptation for habitat. Habitat, हमने पहले उसकी डेफिनेशन देखी. व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ हैबिटेट? द नेचुरल प्लेस वेयर दे लिव इज कॉल्ड हैबिटेट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हैबिटेट हाउ देयर animals is adapted. So on the basis of their habitat there are the 5 types. See on page number 42, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibian animals, aerial animals and arboreal animals. Okay, there are the 5 types according to their habitat. So terrestrial, I think in 3rd class you heard that word terrestrial. Terrestrial means living on the land. Aquatic, in water. Aquatic animals live in a water. Amphibian, amphibian means the that animals live on both, means on land also and in water also. Aerial, aerial, that animals that can fly in the air. Arboreal, arboreal means that animals are live on trees. So that types we will discuss in the next period. Okay, so in that period what you do, first of all open the lesson, okay, and read that lesson carefully and learn that two definition, which are adaptations and habitat. Their types of the adaptation for habitat we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.